Everybody, it's Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. Today's vehicle for sale comes in a gray exterior with a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist. Let's come around to the back of the vehicle. You can see our 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz, and GLC 300 badging. Power opening and closing trunk. And just push button to close. Now let's take a look at the rear of the vehicle. So you've got some nice silver accents here. Got the premium Burmester sound system in this vehicle. Rear seats. And quick look up towards the front of the vehicle. And let's go ahead and take a look at the driver's side. So we have memory seats on the driver's side and heated seats for both driver and passenger. So you got driver seat controls, driver door controls, driver seat with lumbar support, steering wheel. Now let's go ahead and hop inside. And we do have a push button ignition. Mileage on this vehicle currently at 20,836. And here we have our Mercedes-Benz touchscreen display. So you can access navigation, radio, and backup camera. Below the display we have climate control, and below that we have our command module. You can switch between different sport modes. There we go. And you can also control the display using this this function here. You can use this to swipe back and forth and then push down to actually make a selection. And then we also have a wireless charging station there for a cell phone, cup holders, center console storage, and last but not least, the Mercedes-Benz shifter. Now, if you're interested in seeing any photos or getting additional information about this Mercedes-Benz GLC 300, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.